This is a short video on how to use AutoMate to send an email at the end of a task. Email automation is one of our most popular features used by most of our customers because our email actions automate the process of getting, reading, and sending emails. And as we all know, emailing is an important part of business today. With the AutoMate Send email action, you can send any type of email. However, in this video, we will create an automatic universal email task to notify a specific person when a task has completed successfully. First, we will create a send email action containing generic information. We're going to automate an email notification task and add the email task to the end of a previously built task named Send Email to SMS. This task sends an email to a mobile phone as a text message. Here in the task builder, we're going to simply navigate to the Send Email action and drag it into the main task steps area. Next, we will simply enter the name of the person or the email address of who the email will be coming from. And in the To area, we will do the same. In the subject line, we're simply going to start off by typing the word "the" and click on the % to open the expression builder. Now, the expression builder is used to help create and select functions, constants, data sets, and variables, and any type of object that represents a particular value. Here we're going to use an extended function called getParentTaskName. And we're just going to insert it into our subject line because when we add this task to another task, it is going to run in a parent-child fashion. Here, we're going to simply complete our sentence and add completed successfully. So that AutoMate will basically generate an email stating that the task name has completed successfully. In the body of the email, you can enter whatever information is necessary as long as it applies globally to multiple tasks for notification. Next, in the server area, you have 3 options for setting up your Exchange server. First, you can select the default server settings, which generates the email server information that's set up under the Options Default Properties email area of the task administrator. Second, you can use the custom server settings, whereas here you can specify your email server protocol and enter your server name and your user credentials if necessary. As a third choice, you can use our Auto Discovery option to locate your Exchange server. If you choose to discover the email server information, you will need to enter again your protocol and your credentials, meaning your username and password, and possibly your domain name for accessing the Exchange server, and then select Discovery, and AutoMate will automatically discover the email server and populate it into the server HTTPS area here. If you have any attachments that you want to add to your email, simply add them here. And the advanced area is where you can add any additional options like a carbon copy or a blind copy or a receipt. Let's simply select OK to save our first step in the task, and now we're going to select Save and Close to actually save and close our task. The next thing we will do is open the previously created task that sends text messages with the Send Email actions using a message pop-up window. I'm just going to select the Send Email to SMS task and click on the steps to open up the task builder. Here, we will go to the AutoMate Start Task Actions and add the Start Task action to the task builder. Here, we're just going to select Start a Managed Task and navigate to the task that we've created that will open or that will send an email notification. And here we're just going to select OK. The next thing we will do is run the task from the task builder and enter the pertinent information for generating a text message. And I'm just going to add a couple of text information into the subject and to the body, as well as enter the email address of who the person or who this email is coming from. At the end of both tasks running and completing successfully, a text message is sent to the mobile phone and an email will appear in the inbox stating the Send Email to SMS task completed successfully.